Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn the lesson 4 चांद से थोड़ी सी गप्पें. Okay, you can see in your textbook a picture, isn't it? See, a round in shape moon and one girl. She is only 10 or 11 years. She is sitting and she is talking with the moon. So here the poet is Shamsher Bahadur Singh telling a 10 or 11-year girl's mind in this poem. Okay, I think it's your age. Okay, now I'm going to say some summary of this poem. And that in this poem a small girl is talking with moon. That is her imaginations only. Okay, and you know the how the moon is, na? Every day you are not seeing the same moon. It's a different irregular shapes you can see. So tircha nazar aana, you can hear see the word, that is curve, like it is moving, and it will be no moons, and again it will increase. You know the different type of shapes of the moon. Okay, so the girl is having a lot of questions in her mind that she is sharing with the moon. You can, when we read this poem, you can understand what all things she is saying to that moon. And आई एम टेलिंग इन हिंदी नाउ. इस कविता में 10-11 साल की एक लड़की ने चांद के बारे में अपने भावनाओं को प्रकट किया है. चांद गोल है पर तिरछा नजर आता है. एक्चुअली द मून इज राउंड इन शेप बट वी कैन सी सम अदर इरेगुलर शेप्स. उसने तारों से जड़े हुए सारे आकाश को वस्त्र की भांति पहन रखा है. And he wore, that moon wore the whole sky as his dress, and he stick with that stars in his for decorating his dress. And उसने अपना गोरा चिट्टा मुंह खोल रखा है, and only his face only can see, and that is also opening and keeping his face mouth. Then अपनी पोशा को चारों ओर फैला रखा है, एंड ही स्प्रेडेड द 4 sides his ड्रेस. लड़की चांद पर कटाक्ष करते हुए कहती है कि तुम्हारी असलियत जानते हैं कि तुम्हें घटने बटने की बीमारी है. एंड शी इज चैटिंग विद द मून एंड सेइंग दैट यू डोंट बी वेरी क्लेवर, आई नो योर इलनेस, यू आर हैविंग सम इंक्रीजिंग एंड डिक्रीजिंग टाइप ऑफ ए डिसीज. तुम जब घटने लगते हो तो घटते ही चले जाते हो. इफ यू आर डिक्रीजिंग, यू विल डिक्रीज एंड इट्स नो मून इट विल बी. एंड घटते हो तो बढ़ते चले. इफ यू आर मूविंग इन राउंड, यू कैन मूव इंक्रीज एंड यू विल बिकम ए फुल मून. जब तुम बढ़ने पर आते हो तो बढ़ते ही जाते हो और एकदम गोल होकर ही दम लेते हो. When you increase na, you will you will be in a round moon, then only you will take rest. Okay, dam lena means taking rest after only. Okay, so I am moving on the stanza. गोल है खूब मगर आप तिरछे नजर आते हैं जरा. आप पहने हुए हैं गोल कुल आकाश तारों जड़ा. सिर्फ मुंह खोले हुए हैं अपना गोरा चिट्टा गोल मटोल. गोल है खूब मगर, गोल मीन्स राउंड इन शेप, खूब मीन्स इनफ, मगर इफ. आप तिरछे नजर आते हैं. तिरछे नजर आना मीन्स इरेगुलर दैट शेप्स आते हैं. जरा मीन्स यू कैन सी लाइक. आप पहने हुए हैं, पहना मीन्स वोर, ड्रेसडले वोर. कुल आकाश द टोटल स्काई. तारों जड़ा मीन्स, तारों मीन्स स्टार्स, जड़ा मीन्स स्टक्ड. सिर्फ मुंह खोले हुए अपना, एंड यू अलोन ओपन द माउथ. गोरा चिट्टा, गोरा चिट्टा मीन्स white in color. Gol matol means round in shape. So the meanings I said to understand the stanza, and I am going to explain. एक 10-11 वर्ष की लड़की चांद को देखकर कहती है. One girl, she's only 10 or 11 years old, is telling to moon, तुम पूरी तरह गोल हो, you are round in shape, लेकिन फिर भी न जाने क्यों तिरछे नजर आते. We know that you are round in shape, but why you are seeing in irregular shapes? तुमने सारे आकाश को कपड़ों की भांति पहना हुआ है, and you wore the whole sky as your dress. और यह पोशाक तारों से जड़ित है, and this dress is sticked or stitched with the stars. तुम्हारे कपड़ों में से केवल तुम्हारा गोरा चिट्टा व गोल मटोल मुंह ही नजर आता है. And you spreaded that dress, only from that dress your face, it is white in color and it is a round in shape, only seeing. Okay, that is the meaning of that stanza. Now I will ask some one word questions from this stanza. पद्यांश में किसके बारे में बताया गया है? In this stanza, to whom they explain? It is nothing else. चांद only, moon, about moon only they said, isn't it? चांद से बातें कौन कर रहा है? Who is chatting or talking with moon? लड़की, you can write लड़की and you can write 10-11 साल की लड़की. Both are correct. Okay. चांद कैसा लग रहा था? How the moon is? The moon was looking like that गोल मटोल. It is गोल means round in shape. गोरा चिट्टा white in color. सारे आकाश में फैला हुआ, तारों जड़ा वस्त्र पहने व मुंह खोले हुए. And he wore the dress with stitched stars or stuck stars, and he was opened his mouth and was standing. Okay, that is the answer for that. चांद ने क्या पहना है? What he wore? The moon. That is child's imagination. Okay. सारा आकाश वस्त्र की भांति जो पूरों तारों से जड़ित. That is the answer. The stars sticked a big dress that is spreaded in sky. That only he wore. In stanza, what is the meaning of kul? What is the meaning of kul? Kul means whole. Sara. Okay. Now I am moving on the next stanza. अपनी पोशाक को फैलाए हुए चारों स्मिथ. पोशाक means dress, फैलाए means spread, चारों स्मिथ means four sides. आप कुछ तिरछे नजर आते हैं, जाने कैसे? Why you are in irregular shape? खूब खेको की, that is enough. वाजी वाह. Waji wah means the explanation when we are in a exclamation, that is surprise when we are getting, na, we will say like waji wah. हमको बुद्धू ही निरा समझा है. You are thinking that I am fool. बुद्धू means विड्ढी और बुद्धू fool. हम समझते ही नहीं जैसे कि आपको बीमारी है. And I know you are having an illness. बीमारी means sickness or illness. And don't think I am fool. I know your illness. So from that stanza you can write the meaning in Hindi. पोशाक, वेशभूषा means the dress what he wore. चारों स्मिथ, चारों ओर, the four sides. कोकी, that is, यानी, नीरा, बहुत. I am explaining in Hindi now that for the stanza. इसमें लड़की कहती है, in this stanza the girl is telling that तुमने अपनी पोशाक गोलाई के आकार में पूरे आकाश में फैलाई हुई है. You spread your dress in round in shape, लेकिन but फिर भी तिरछे नजर आते हो. And you are in, even then you are seeing in irregular shape. You make it round, but even then you are seeing in irregular shape. तुम भी खूब हो. You are very clever enough. हमें मूर्ख मत समझो. You don't think that I am fool. हम जानते हैं कि तुम्हें गटने बटने की बीमारी है. And I already know that you are having an illness of decreasing and increasing. That's why you are seeing in irregular shapes. Okay. Now I will ask some one word question. In this stanza, चांद की पोशाक की क्या विशेषता है? What is the specialty of the moon's dress here? आकाश में चारों तरफ फैली है. The chand's dress is spreaded in four sides. See the imagination of the girl. The girl is imagining that the whole sky is the dress of moon. Okay, that is also in round in shape. Next question. कवि को चांद कैसा दिखाई देता है? How the moon seeing by that poet? कवि को चांद तिरछा नजर आता है. And कवि is seeing that moon in irregular shapes. कवि ने चांद को क्या उलाहना दिया? What the poet complained to moon? तुम बनते हो लेकिन हो तिरछे. You are clever enough, but in irregular only you are, isn't it? You are not in proper. कवि के अनुसार चांद को क्या बीमारी है? What is the sickness according to the poet that moon is having? चांद को गटने बटने की बीमारी है. What is the illness of a moon? He is having irregular shapes and is increasing and decreasing, right? गो की शब्द से क्या तात्पर्य है? गो की शब्द माने yani. Yani means that is the meaning of that. Okay, shall I move on the third stanza? आप गढ़ते हो तो गढ़ते ही चले जाते हैं और बढ़ते हैं तो बस यानी कि बढ़ते ही चले जाते हैं. The same thing I said that if he is increasing, he is keep on increasing, and if he is decreasing, he is keep on decreasing, isn't it? So when it is increasing, you can see the full moon. If it is decreasing, you can see the no moon. Okay. दम नहीं लेते जब तक बिल्कुल ही गोल न हो जाए. And you are not taking rest. दम नहीं लेना means rest और आराम करना. जब तक बिल्कुल ही गोल न हो जाए, you are becoming in all round in shape. Okay, बिल्कुल गोल and fully round. यह मरज आपका अच्छा ही नहीं होने में आता है. मरज means रोग और बीमारी. This type of sickness, it is not good. It is a small girl's mind only. So I am telling the meaning. Gatna means it is decreasing. Badna means increasing. Okay. Dam nahi lena means not taking rest till he become the round in shape. Now goal means, you know, already I explained, it is round. Bilkul means properly. Maraz means rog. Okay, these are the main meaning in this stanza. It's a silly poem, isn't it? Now I can ask some one word question from this stanza. चांद की क्या विशेषता है? चांद की क्या विशेषता? What is the specialty in this stanza of the moon? चांद कभी पूरा गोल होता है, कभी घटता है, कभी बढ़ता है, कभी दिखाई ही नहीं देता है. These all are the specialty of the moon, right? Sometimes you can see in round, sometimes not seeing, sometimes what will be, if it is increasing and decreasing also. These all irregular shapes you can say about the moon. That is the specialty. And काव्यांश में किन दो पक्षों को दर्शाया गया है? In this poem you can understand two types of paksha. Paksha means in Hindi there is Krishna Paksha and Shukla Paksha is there. Krishna Paksha means the new moon day, that is no moon you can see in the sky, that is called Krishna Paksha. And if you see the whole moon in the sky, that is white in color, round in shape, that moon, it is called Shukla Paksha. Okay, So Shukla means white in color. So you can see the white in moon. Krishna Paksha means you know the Krishna's color, black in color. So no moon you can see. Okay. That is the two Paksha explained in this stanza. Okay. Bilkul Gol, it's a muhavara, idiom. So what is the meaning of Bilkul Gol? The meaning of that, dikhai dena, bandh hona. Bilkul Gol means nothing to see. And again another meaning, you can see the full moon. Both is same meaning. Okay. Muhavara, that's a muhavara. Okay. Now, hope you understood the poem, and I will explain another video, the exercise and question answer. Okay. Children, read the poem nicely, and after hearing, you have to write the meanings on the tough word on that poem. Okay, see you next video.